Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel to have fun while you learn. Friends, watch the video till the end because we have an interesting puzzle at the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Now let us start the video friends. In this video we will learn class 3 EVS chapter 1 Poonam's Day Out. This chapter is about a girl called Poonam. She was having fever for past 2-3 days and she did not went to the school. Let us start friends. Poonam's Day Out. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored, said Poonam. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot, replied Ma. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crows. Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Which animal can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their names. Look at the picture friends and try to spot the animals you can see in the picture. Let us see what all animals we can see in the picture. We can see a pigeon, a squirrel, a crow, a monkey, butterflies, sparrow, cuckoo, ants and parrot in the picture. Now let's move to the next part of the chapter. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. But her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go to wash my face in the nearby pond. And Poonam went to the pond. Which animal did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. Friends, look at the picture and spot the animals seen near the pond. Let us see what all animals we can see near the pond. We can see a goat, a tortoise, a crane sitting on the buffalo's back. We can see the buffaloes. We can see frogs and we can see a stork. Now let's see next part of the chapter. Can you act like the animals seen at the pond? Which animal makes what kind of sound and movements? Try to make similar sounds. Let us see the answer friends. Yes, I can act like the animals seen at the pond. Here are some sounds made by the animals. Goat makes a sound meh meh. Frog makes a sound croak croak. And buffalo's sound is called grunts. Now let's see the next exercise. Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another. Some animals walk, some crawl, some fly and some swim. For this, some animals use their feet, some use their wings, some animals even take the help of their tail. You must have seen many animals too. Write which of them can fly, crawl, walk, hop and have wings, feet and tail. Let us see the answers friends. The animals which can fly are crow, sparrow, parrot and cuckoo. The animals which can crawl are turtle, lizard and crocodile. The animals which can walk are goat, buffalo, cow and horse. The animal which can hop are frog, rabbit and kangaroo. The animals which have wings are parrot, sparrow and eagle. The animals which have feet are cow, buffalo, bear and ox. And the animals which have tail are monkey, cat, cow and rat. Let's see the next exercise. Animals live in different places. Some animals live on the trees, some in water. Some live on land Some live under the ground and some fly in the sky. Some animals even live in our houses. Look at the pictures given below. Color the animals that do not live in your house. Friends, now look at the given picture and find out what are the animals which do not live in our house. Let us see the answer, friends. Horse, hen, eagle, elephant, duck and chameleon. You can also write the names of fish, rat, hopper, lizard and cockroach. Now let us see the next exercise, friends. Here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names below. Friends, let us see after completing the picture what are these animals. The first one is dog, a fish and a cockroach. Let us move to the next exercise. Who am I? Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given. Banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Who am I? The answer is monkey. Now let us see the next question. On the walls, web I weave, where insects stick and cannot live. Who am I? I am a spider. Let us see the next question. I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. Who am I? I am an owl. Let's see the next question. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land I am found. Who am I? I am frog. Let's see the next question. I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Who am I? I am a snail. Let's see the next question. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. Who am I? I am a tortoise. Let us see the next exercise, friends. Take a look at the picture. Can you distinguish the thumb prints from the other fingerprints? In the same way, using ink or watercolors, make pictures of animals. Make pictures using your own imagination. Do not copy the ones shown below. You can use the pictures you have made to decorate your school and home. Let us see some pictures. You can draw a spider like this, or you can draw a rabbit or a fish. Friends, if you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button. Now let us see the next exercise. Spend some time under a tree. Observe the animals carefully. Name the animals which can be seen. On the branches, we can see sparrow, monkey and crow. On the leaves, we can see caterpillar, grasshopper and beetle. On the trunk, we can see squirrel and ants. On the ground, we can see rat, rabbit and hare. Friends, there is a very small difference between rabbit and a hare. Rabbit has small ears and small legs, whereas the hare shown in the brown color has long ears and long legs. Around the tree we can see cow, goat and buffalo. Let us see the next exercise. Now arrange these animals in the order of their size. Smallest begin the first. Let us see the names of the animals which we have to arrange. Let us see the correct order, friends. The first will be ants, second will be beetle, third will be caterpillar, fourth will be grasshopper, fifth comes sparrow, sixth comes rat, seventh will be squirrel, eighth will be crow, ninth will be rabbit, 10th will be hare, 11th will be monkey, 12th will be goat, 13th will be cow and the last one will be buffalo. Let us see the next exercise, friends. This is a jigsaw puzzle. In a jigsaw puzzle, a picture is cut in such a way that one has to really think hard to fit the pictures together. You can see few pictures are given below. Can you fix them to find out what picture it is? Let us see the correct order to fit the picture together. First will be this one, then this, then this. After that comes this picture. Next comes this piece, and finally this piece. Let us see what does the picture looks like when we join these pieces together. Any guesses, friends? After putting the pieces together, see what picture it is. It is Tom and Jerry. I hope you like this video, friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you find this video interesting and helpful for others, please share this video to your friends too. Thank you, friends.